Teacher, this video is about newspapers should have no friends. It means that newspapers should inform the people properly through his journalistic ethics without taking in account the relationship with other person. I think that newspapers should have no friends for two main reasons. First, newspapers have the duty to inform the public the news in a truthful manner, because if an editor do not act according to his ethics and then he is carried by his friends, he would be distorting the news. For example, if newspapers take news for or against a person, they are be hurting the dignity of the affected people. So they would be playing with the confidence that readers put in the newspapers. And second, the newspaper should have no friends because this would affect both people who work there as the public that day-to-day report through the newspapers. To see another example, some newspapers have made great friendships with politicians, with judges, or with advisors who use the bonds of the friendship at their convenience. Sometimes it was preventing that the important facts coming to the light, so the guilty people pay for their crimes, for their abuse, for their theft, and other cases. For all these reasons, I believe that newspapers definitively have no friends, so they can make a good use of the freedom of the press with news that carry the public in a time and in an accurate manner. It's all that I can tell you about this theme. Thank you.